Okay, I'd really hate to see someone do this on a calculator because the point of this is not to use a calculator. What are you given? You're given, whoops. You're given something over here. You're given 1.01 to the fifth power. So one thing you could do is write this 1.01, 1.01, 1.01, 1.01, 1.01. Let's see, 1, 2. We have 5 factors over there. It seems kind of ridiculous, but we could do that. I too certainly know the number's around 1, but they want me to get it accurate to 3 places. I don't want to guess at it. So what I'm going to do over here is use the binomial theorem to do that. And I'm going to write down a function f of x. I'm going to say f of x equal to this over here. This is fairly easy to expand. Again, if you need to use the Pascal's triangle, relatively easy to do, especially for a number like 5. I got the coefficients 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. All right, and then certainly, again, it's fairly easy to write down for that 1 plus x, because the 1 power, I mean, it's really easy to put down. And then I write down, f of 0.01, which is really the number we're looking for, right? We're actually looking for this over here. What are we looking for? 1.01 to the fifth power. Now, of course, I believe it's easy to plug in, right? Now, what I mean by that is I'm plugging in here, so it's going to be 1, then 5 times that number, which is 0.01, 10 times that number squared, 10 times that number cubed, 10 times that number fourth power, and 10 times, 5 times the number to the fourth power, then you get the 0.01 to the fifth power, all right? So the thing is that they just want the 3 decimal places. So, the first term's 1. That's really not an issue for me at all, and this one's not an issue for me. And this one over here, also relatively simple. What would you get? You would get 10 times 0.01 times 0.01, right? What would that give you? That would give you 0.1 times 0.01, which would give you 0.001. Relatively simple, all right? Simple, simple, simple. By the way, I'm at the 3rd decimal place now, all right? Now, of course, we go to the next term, which is the one over here. I hope you start to realize if I did that, what do you get? 10. And 0.01 is 10 to the minus 2 to the third power. This could be 10 times 10 to the minus 6, which is 10 to the minus 5. So this one over here, it's not even worth considering because it's well beyond the 3rd decimal place, so forth and so on. They're getting smaller and smaller, by the way. So I'm just considering these first 3 terms over here. And what does that give you? 1.051. And that's an approximate answer, by the way. That's where we use the symbol over here. If you want to compute the exact answer, I'm not going to say it's easy to do, but you could. The problem is there's a lot of zero counting there, a lot of lining up and stuff. All right, thank you.